Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this Trimax Max Security round body padlock. Now, I was confused when I first saw this because the first thing I did was count the pins, or count the cuts, and it distinctly has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cuts. But on the packaging, it says that this is a 5-pin cylinder. So, could be that the key is cut to 6, but that the cylinder is only pinned to 5. This is an American style core. And now let's see if I can pick it. Quite a bit of movement, kind of bit of a, yeah, the core kind of moves around freely in here. Put a little bit of movement there. Definitely overset something. Seems like it's really easy to overset. I might be using too little tension on this. Just used to the feather touch. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. Just needed a little bit firmer touch on that. Okay, let's get a Phillips out here. Now this lock is eventually going to go to Peter Lewis, the Irish lock picker. And he said that I was more than welcome to pick it, and that is great that it is not one of the weird skeletonized cores. At least it doesn't appear to be. Come on. Turned around. Oh, these things are so stubborn. That does not listen. Oh, we'll be speeding this part up. Wow, that went like 4 places before it landed. But we got it. Okay. No, it absolutely has 6 pins in it. Maybe they were just confused. So far, these are all standard. Yeah, everyone standard. And I don't have much hope for the driver pins then, but we'll see. So standard. 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 Standard, and last, got a jumper. Yeah, so all standard. I mean, considering that they took the effort of putting all 6 pins in, it would have been nice to see at least some spools or something, but I didn't detect any kind of counter rotation or anything. Just really easy to overset if you didn't put enough tension on it. So anyway, yeah, here's the nothing much to see there. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe to see more, and have a great day. Thanks.